I used to be in the police search and rescue. I was in for 27 years in the police force, and during that time I saw a lot of people get lost or be out of phone coverage and not being able to communicate that they were in distress.
Yep.
Didn't always end up pretty.
No.
And then slowly through the family business we started importing and distributing some of these safety products.
These are the two we used last season. That's the Rescue Me and the Spot. So can you tell us a little bit about them moving forward through the other devices you have?
Also, the Rescue Me PLB is a personal locator beacon. It's purely a distress device. It works on the same frequency as a boat EPIRB.
Yep.
So wherever you set that off anywhere in the world, you'll get rescued, but it's just for an emergency response.
Yep.
The Spot itself, that's a paid subscription device, but for around the $200 mark, you can press a button to say you're okay, you need help. SOS and live track as well. We also then do a range of satellite phones if you need to talk to people, and historically people thought satellite phones were really expensive.
Yep.
You can now get them for under $1,000 and run them for about $16.50 a month with
Now-
a normal Australian mobile phone number.
Oh, wow. Now, I mean, you told me a story when you took a young fella out and you're going into the bush and you clipped one of them onto him just in case he ran off and got lost.
Yeah, so when we travelled around Australia, it was our son Flynn was young, but
Yep.
I'd hook that onto his shorts, and regardless where it was, and we travelled around Australia, we'd put that on and he'd walk off, and if he didn't come back, at least I could find him.
You could find it. This is amazing. We had a look at this last night. Now, this is a thermal camera, mate.
It is, yes.
Now, I just said to you, mate, is this night vision? You go, no, it's thermal. I don't know the difference between the two. I thought it was the same. But it basically picks up heat. And we can spot any bit of bush junk animal out there that's running around, because it's absolutely fascinating to see what's actually around you at night, especially on a big property like this when you don't know what's lurking in the bushes, and you can see them clear as day. Well, I should say clear as night, because they give off a heat signature, and the outline of them really defines on what that animal is and moving around. But we saw some cool things last night driving around, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. So new to our range is a range of night vision and thermal cameras.
Yep.
Thermal are better in some ways because you can use them day or night. You don't have to wait till it's dark.
Yep.
And it does detect the heat. They start around about the $700 mark and go up. This is one that will get you'll see animals during the day and the night. This is also Wi-Fi, so you can actually see it on your phone. So
Yep.
you're not only looking through the monocular part of it, you actually can share it with people that are travelling with you. Last night, and having a look at all the kangaroos
Yeah, that was
bouncing
great.
through the paddock that you can't see with the human eye.
And just off the fun part of it, you can really use it for safety too, because if someone is lost in the bush and you're looking for them, especially at night, you'd be able to spot them with that, wouldn't you?
You can, and that's exactly what the police helicopter and the emergency services use, and certainly available to the public.
Wow, it's amazing what you can pick up these days.
Yeah.
And that's great. And thanks for showing us that last night. Anyone that's interested in safety or having a device like this to suit them for whatever they're going to do, you're happy for them to give you a call so you can run them through what's probably going to be right for them.
Look, give us a call or go to our website and we can certainly fit a product to you. allsat.com.au.
Yeah, you find Ian and he may very well save your life on it.